Welcome again. This is a topic. Today's topic would be Americans, Christians, and how they can bring back the United States of America to its former glory. The only way to get the United States of America to its former glory is by unification of every denomination in the country, Christian denomination. Because whenever I feel like whenever I see some news or media, what I see is that most of the anti-Christian propaganda runs through television channels or movies and everything. They see Christianity as a villain of this country. Maybe the history has some sort of truth to it or not. I don't know. Since I'm an Indian, I don't know what exactly happened in the past. But what I see is that most of the people who are running the country, who are influencing the people, like in the media or in the cinema industry, like that, they are brainwashing the future generations that Christians are the problem, and they are propagating anti-Christian values, and they are not even anti-Christian values currently. That is what I beg you. Please forgive me for my lack of proper pronunciation in English. That is what I want to tell to the American community, that American Christian community, not the American community. American community is vast and they are very diverse. So I only wanted to talk about American Christian community because I'm a Christian. So wherever the Christians are there, they are my fellow brothers. So what I feel is that Republicans lost a biggest opportunity in their lifetime. That is what I feel, because you see, Republicans, as they've been portrayed in the YouTube, that is what I'm believing, that they also have an affinity towards Christianity. And Mexicans who are coming to the USA, most of them are Christians, right? So you can use the very same card and bring them towards to you. If you can do that, you will be able to gain more ground and you will be able to get huge voting share in the future. And what's happened was you just denounced it and gave it to the left to have that political opportunity. And what is happening was left. I can't say that left, but the anti-Christian people who are on the left were gaining. That's why you have almost non-affiliated anything related to religion for almost quarter of your country's population. Almost quarter of your country's population. I mean 23%, right? So that means that you are not able to recognize the problem within the country, within the country and to your community, that there are some people existed within your country that they wanted to what you call, they wanted to downgrade your community, or they wanted to destroy the Christian community and rise their own. Since because they are in a minority position, that's why they are unable to do it. But if you see the atheist community, how they are portraying the religious communities at their hands, they don't they don't play with the Muslim community, or they don't play with any other minority communities. But when it comes to the Christian community, they're openly give up blanket statements about Christian communities and everything. Since being a white people are the majority in the Christian community, they're being targeted for their belief systems and due to the race. American community is divided through races, and like India, the caste and religion and the language. You people also have been divided according to your race, religion and region kind of thing, which itself shows that how your community has been divided. So effectively the anti-Christian people able to divide the Christian community along with the rest of the community. If the Christian community come with a single agenda to support a single idea, then they will be able to overcome any hurdle they have in their path. But in order to do that, they have to come together first. Unfortunately, I didn't heard anything like that in the YouTube or anything. I used to watch a lot of USA related videos regarding the politics. If it can happen, that can happen. Um, you might be able to solve a lot of issues, and the country will back to its former glory. That is what I believe. Some people might think that I am against to minorities and everything. I'm not. And also, I wanted to tell the Christian community who are falsely believing that every Muslim is a bad guy, or every minority or every atheist is a bad guy. No, they are not. Some people believe that in their some people believe in their beliefs, but some people got brainwashed and they've been misinformed. I can say not every Muslim is a terrorist. Not every Hindu is a hate monger. So if you come to India, you'll be able to see a lot of hate towards Christianity and Muslim. If you carefully observe it in the social media channels, then you'll be able to understand how much of Hindus hate these religions. Due to the histories between them, they have been exploiting the present regime, present establishment followers are exploiting this exploiting this emotion uh, for their political gains. So this is what's been happening. But I don't want you to do the same. But if you can able to make every Christian denomination under one roof to support one idea, then certainly it will help the America to get its former glory. But the American Christians have to come together to save their country. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, no. There are a lot of anti-Christian people working within your country to damage the Christian community. If you don't wake up now, then there won't be any future for the Christians in the America, which used to be a Christian nation. Now it's not. That itself explains how dangerous the situation is. Still, you don't believe in that. That means you are actually a fool. That is what I thought. Some people are accepting the situation at their hand and they are trying to change as much as they could, but they are doing in a wrong way. So you have to accept people who came to your country. There are some people in it who are actually Christians. Some people don't hate Christians at all. So you have to accept them to your community. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of ground. You will lose a lot of people. That's why the anti-Christian people are able to gain on the Christian community in the USA. So that is what I believe. If somebody believes that I'm giving a wrong information, I might be wrong about it, please tell me in the comments that how I'm wrong about it. So what I saw in the YouTube videos, and YouTube, not only the media which gives you through YouTube video, like media channels like CNN, Fox, and CBS, these kind of news channels which I watch, and they are giving me some information about the present political scenario in the American society. So according to that, I have formed these opinions. If my opinions are wrong, then please tell me in the comment section. If I am right, then please tell me in the comment section that how am I right and how am I wrong. And also, if any American is listening to watch this video, help me to grow more and help me to give us a like and subscribe to my channel and share the video to your fellow Americans and tell me about their opinion. Since I'm an outsider's perspective, I don't have any gain from it. That is what I believe. So the only gain which I can have is a like and a subscription. That's all. So that is what I think. But I have an affinity towards the USA, that which I used to love when I'm a child. But now it is entirely different country. When I watch some TV shows, I see that they are mostly anti-Christian. That is what I see. They hate, they promote hatred towards Christians, and they are the culprits or something kind of like that. So So if you believe that this is the scenario, that is this is the present scenario in American political system and American society, so tell me how exactly am I right, how exactly am I wrong. And if you think that my opinion is somewhat worth it, if you think that my opinion is wrong, if you want to tell to me, then please give a like and share and subscribe, so that we can be in touch with each other. And so I also wanted to learn a lot more about the communities as well. Thank you very much for your time with me by watching this video, and thank you. Signing off.